Today's topic is about articles. Articles are words that define a noun as a specific or non-specific. English has two types of articles, definite and indefinite. Articles are the challenging part of English but the most important. Today we are here to talk about the rules of article the. Let's get started. The first rule is the is used with all proper nouns. As you can see, the is used with all proper nouns. If you don't know about proper nouns, then click the icon on your screen and watch our proper video on proper nouns. King ordered to fight. Tell me, why is this wrong? Yes, you're right. In this sentence, we need the article the. The correct one is the king ordered to fight. In this sentence, a specific king is ordering to fight. So we have to put the. Number second, horse which Sana got getting old now. This sentence is also wrong because the horse which Sana got is getting old now. We have to put the before the proper nouns. Always keep this in your mind. The is used with all proper nouns. Rule number 2. The is used before that common noun that has mentioned before in the sentences. Okay, keep that in your mind. The is used before that common noun that has mentioned before in the sentences. For example, dog is a faithful animal. We have to use the dog is a faithful animal. Carnivore eats meat. The carnivore eats meat. Yes, we have to put the in the starting of a common noun that has mentioned before in the sentence. Some more examples of rule number 2. Mammal feeds its young ones on its milk. The correct one is the mammals feed its young one on its milk. Horse is a steady animal. Yes, tell me the right sentence. Yeah, you're right. The horse is a steady animal. Rule number 3. Common noun is being used to indicate a class of something, then the is used before that noun. Okay, keep this in your mind. If a noun is used to indicate a class of something, then we use the before the noun. For example, river Indus flows in Sindh. Yes, the river Indus flows in Sindh. New York Times gave the news of Iran's nuclear program. Yes, the New York Times gave the news of Iran's nuclear program. Some more examples of rule number 3. Danube is the longest river in Europe. We have to put the Danube River is the longest river in Europe. Largest group of islands is Coral Islands. The largest group of islands is the Coral Island. Yes, you're right. We have to put the before a group of nouns. Some more examples for rule number 3. The England is an island. The mistake is England is an island. Okay, we are not talking about a group, so we cannot put the before England. Himalayas is the biggest mountain range in the world. We have to put The Himalayas is the biggest mountain range in the world. The Mount Everest is the highest mountain. This is wrong because Mount Everest is the highest mountain. We are not talking about a group of mountains. We are talking about one mountain. So we don't have to put the before this. Okay? Atlantic Ocean runs through America and adjoining countries. Yes, the Atlantic Ocean runs through America and adjoining countries. He is most intelligent boy in the class. We have to put he is the most intelligent boy in the class because we are talking about a group of boys. Rule number 4. The is used before the names of a river, oceans, seas, etc., group of island, not before an individual island, and it is used before ranges of mountains, not before a single mountain, as you have also seen in the examples before. So let's take an example. She has longest hair. So she has the longest hair. Adam is tallest boy of his family. Adam is the tallest boy of his family. Why are we putting the in this sentence? Because all the boys of the family are compared with the height of Adam's. Rule number 5. The is used before the superlative degree of an adjective. For example, poor are often hardworking. The poor are often hardworking because we are talking about the poor of whole world, not a single poor person. We are talking about the whole community. Rich are not hospitable. The rich are not hospitable because we are not talking about a single person or 2 or 3 persons. We are talking about the whole community, so we have to put the before it. English writers did a lot to uplift English literature. We have to put the English writers did a lot to uplift the English literature. Rule number 6. The is being used before adjectives that are used as nouns in the plural sense. For example, the cows are grazing. We are not indicating towards a specific cow, so we don't have to put the before it. The correct one is cows are grazing. The cats are running. We are not talking about a specific cat. We are talking about all the cats. So the right sentence is cats are running. The jackals are howling. The right one is jackals are howling. Rule number 7. The is not used before common nouns in plural number. For example, the love wins the hearts. Love wins the hearts. The haste makes waste. The correct sentence is haste makes waste. Alia likes the diamond jewelry. Alia likes diamond jewelry is the correct answer. And with this, today's topic is complete. Thank you for watching our video till the end. If you have any queries, do tell us in the comment section. Hit the like button if you like our video. Share our video with your friends and family. If you want PDF of today's lecture, you can get the link from description.